Traditionally, to access OpenKM, we need a username and a password. OpenKM features two-factor authentication. The first thing you need to do is install the Google Authenticator app on your phone. Now, from the OpenKM interface, we go to the user's settings. Settings tab. We enable two-factor authentication. From the phone, open the Google Authenticator app, scan the QR code, and insert the generated code. The code lasts 30 seconds. We hit the Verify button and update the changes. To verify two-factor authentication, we're going to log out. We logged in again. And insert the code generated by the Google Authenticator. This way, we enjoy a higher level of security.